Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be a little city vlog. Me and my fam in the city. We just got into our hotel room. We have this balcony, and then it goes up here. And it's outside. This is our little balcony, and it overlooks the whole city. We're gonna get some food.
For many months, and we're back here now doing shows. It's great.
I got to eat. Family's eating at a non-vegan restaurant, so I had to come back and eat. Got this like vegan egg bowl from Wagamama, but it's like vegan egg that's made out of coconut, and it's like barbecue satine and like lots of veggies. And I'm watching TLC, and this is really good. 10 out of 10. And I have a lot of energy because it's so good and I was so hungry, so I'm gonna eat her. Bye. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Hey guys, I just woke up. I'm whispering because my family's still sleeping. But I just woke up and I'm gonna go get coffee. I forgot like actual shoes to walk around, so I'm wearing my cowboy boots. This is my fit for the day. This is what I'm wearing, your coat, and my boots, and my cowboy booties. Fit check. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Jippy. Yeah. We're at Wagamama's.
Balance.
That would be good. I saw ones with like spinach. Little boy.
Superior.
We're gonna try some bang bang cauliflower for y'all.
Riley can't use chopsticks.
Shut up. Ready?
Yeah.
Can you use chopsticks?
I want to get a good grip.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I like that.
Should do be spicy on a spicy day. 10 out of 10. Okay.
Good. Okay.
Eat. Okay, we're gonna eat. Bye. Your go.
Cowboy boots.
Yeah. That is so cool. As a dress. Oh my god. Not $90. These are so cute. Oh, that feels really nice. a hot snack. Carousel. We got froyo. Froyo.
Jojo.
Good morning city. It's so pretty. I'm wearing my pajamas I think like all day because I'm tired. I had a late night. I'm gonna go get some lunch though. City Fit. You're actually about to have a heat stroke. It's so hot in the outfit. This do me my vibe. I got the vegan egg roll again because I'm addicted and I'm in my pajamas. It's so hot out, so I think I'm honestly gonna stay in all day. I mean, who's complaining? Not me. And yeah, I'm gonna eat my yumminess. And see you later. Sorry, I'm too much right now. I overeated dinner. Yes, the one I got last night because it's so good. It's my favorite restaurant. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Riley.
And we're Kayla.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Oh my
Our
god.
last day.
What's going on with YouTube? Tell them to subscribe. Tell them to like and follow.
It's my last day in the city. Oh my god, it's weird. We both said city at the same time. It's the next day. It's so foggy. Oh my god. I'm gonna get coffee. Last morning. I got coffee. It's so rainy. It's like crazy. It's like I'm on the 21st floor and I'm on the balcony. That's crazy.